Now we move on to specification number 3, which says, understand the concept of a balanced diet. To explain this, we use the food pyramid, which is a simple visual guide showing the proportions of different food groups we should eat to stay healthy. The idea is that foods at the base should be eaten in the largest amounts, while those at the top should be limited. At the base of the pyramid, we have cereals and whole grains. These include foods like bread, rice, pasta, and cereals. They provide carbohydrates, which are the body's main source of energy, and form the foundation of a balanced diet. Above that, the next layer is fruits and vegetables. These should also be eaten in generous amounts, as they supply us with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for good health and disease prevention. Moving up, the middle layer is made up of dairy products, meat, fish, eggs, and beans. These foods should be eaten in moderation. They provide protein for growth and repair, as well as nutrients like calcium and iron. Finally, at the very top of the pyramid, we see fats, oils, sugar, and salt. These should be eaten only in small amounts, because too much can lead to health problems such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. So, the pyramid gives us a clear picture: eat more of the foods at the bottom, less as you move up, and only small amounts from the top. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and overall well-being. It provides the body with all the necessary nutrients it needs to function properly. A diet that is balanced supplies the essential nutrients required for growth and tissue repair, ensures there is enough energy for the body's metabolic processes, and includes roughage, or fiber, which helps maintain a healthy digestive system. At the same time, it is important to remember that balance goes both ways. Too little of certain food groups can cause deficiencies, while too much of others can lead to health problems caused by excess. If we look at the diagram, we see the idea of a balanced diet represented visually. The circle is divided into sections, each one representing a food group. Grains and carbohydrates, such as bread, rice, and pasta, form one section and are important for providing energy. Fruits and vegetables, shown with a colorful variety, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Protein sources such as meat, fish, eggs, and legumes are included because they are essential for growth and repairing body tissues. Dairy products, like milk, cheese, and yogurt, contribute to bone health through calcium. Finally, fats and oils, represented by nuts, seeds, and healthy oils, provide essential fatty acids and energy. The key point is that a balanced diet is not about cutting out food groups. Instead, it's about eating a variety of foods in the right proportions so the body gets everything it needs to stay healthy and energized. Now let's look at the table on varying dietary needs of individuals. This table shows how our nutritional requirements change depending on life stage and activity level. During growth, children need a greater proportion of protein to support their physical development and the rapid growth of their bodies. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, which makes it particularly important in the early years. When it comes to activity levels, people of all ages require more energy if they are physically active. This is because increased activity means the muscles contract more and respiration happens faster, both of which demand extra energy from the diet. For pregnancy, women need additional nutrients, particularly those that aid calcium absorption. These are crucial for the development of strong bones and teeth, not just for the fetus but also for the mother. Finally, during breastfeeding, mothers have increased nutritional needs to support their own bone and dental health as well as to provide for their babies. Nutrients that contribute to bone strength and blood clotting are especially important, since a deficiency could increase the risk of osteoporosis later in life. That wraps up everything we had for Unit 8.1 on diet. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of the key points. Stay tuned for the upcoming unit, and I'll see you again very soon.